If you need to share or embed a project in Taskade, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you all that you need to know. So let's do it. So the process is really, really simple. We're going to go into our workspace, and in our workspace, we've got these subspaces. We're going to go to this project here. I'm going to just go ahead and open it. We are trying to take over the world, and this is our plan. Okay, but I need to share this with some of my team members. So we can go over here to these three dots, not these three dots at the bottom, the top one, and this will give you more options for the entire project. Okay, so you can go down, click on share, and here you will have all the options. And again, it'll tell you share, take over the world. That's the name of the project. You can see here we've got the share link option. You can turn that on and off. Once you turn it on, it'll give you permission options, so editor, checker, viewer, and the checker option is actually part of the pro plan, so just keep that in mind. You can also see here there's a link view, so this is how whoever you're sharing this with will be able to see it. So currently it's in list form. I think, you can change this if you'd like to, but it's good to sort of keep it the same because then everyone's looking at the same thing. You can also see over here that there are the project collaborators. It'll be a list of people. You can also share this directly via email. So you can just add the email in over here, change the permissions, send the invite, and then you can embed it right over here. So you've got the share, you've got the embed over here. You can see this is the embed code. So you can literally just tap on copy embed code, embed view. Again, you can change how it actually looks. You can change the width, height. We can even change the theme over here. And then again, you can change, the permissions. So you can allow edits. You can add a cover image. You can also hide the footer, hide the views, hide the copy, and then you can basically embed this wherever you need to go ahead and do so. And then there's also a publish option. You can share it to a website. You can enable dark mode when you are publishing it. You can add a cover image. You can hide the completed tasks, and then you can also have a password that is required to actually access it. So there you go. You can share, embed, and spread your projects with whoever you need to.